Hey, welcome to Code Made Clear. Today we're talking about variables in Python. They're one of the simplest but most important ideas. Don't worry, I'll make it super easy. Imagine you're moving into a new house. You have a bunch of stuff: books, clothes, kitchen plates. You don't just throw them all in a pile on the floor. You put them into boxes. On the outside of the box, you write a label like kitchen gear or winter clothes. In coding, a variable is that box. The label is the variable name, so you can find it later. The stuff inside is the value, the actual data. The size and shape of the box is the type. You wouldn't put a heavy bowling ball in a tiny shoebox. Now let's look at some examples in code. Here, favorite food and age are variable names, the labels on the boxes. Pizza and 15 are the values inside the boxes. Python figures out the type automatically here: string for pizza, integer for 15. Alex is building a scoreboard app for a basketball game. The hard way, Alex doesn't use variables. He writes the score directly everywhere. If the home team scores again and the score becomes 12, Alex must find and change every 10 in the code. The easy way, Alex uses variables. He creates a variable called home team score and sets it to 10. Then everywhere else in the app, he just uses home team score. When the score changes, Alex just updates home team score once, and everywhere else, the app shows the updated score automatically. Now, imagine a user named Glitchy Gary. Alex's app asks users to enter the number of players. It expects a number, an integer. What if Gary types something weird like potato? Without variable type checks, the code tries to add 1 to potato. You can't add numbers to words. The app crashes. Using type hints and the int function fixes this. Alex writes player count as an integer and uses int to convert input. If the user types 5, it works fine. If they type potato, Python shows an error instead of crashing. Quick tip: sometimes numbers come as strings, like 5. You can convert them to actual numbers with int. For example, int 5 becomes the number 5. Remember, int means whole numbers like 1, 2, 3. Float means decimal numbers like 3.14 or 2.5. String means text or words like hello or pizza. In 2025, we use type-annotated variables for clarity and safety. You give the variable a name and a value, like username star equals Alex or score int equals 42. Variables are labels pointing to values in your computer's memory. Using variables helps you avoid repeating yourself. Define once, use everywhere. Try this yourself. Create variables for your favorite color and your age. Print them out like this: favorite color equals blue, age equals 15, print favorite color, print age. Drop your code in the comments. I'll check it out. That's it. Variables made clear and simple.